Here we are again working in the Pearson MyLabandMastering drawing tool. This one's always a challenge to me. This is a strange molecule, XeF4. I've always taught my students that xenon is a noble gas and it doesn't interact with anything else, but apparently there's always exceptions to the rule, mates. Let's go to more so we can find the symbol for xenon. There it is. Let's close it and let's put that in the middle. I don't know how I clicked carbon, but let's get rid of that. And then we're going to have 4 single bonded fluorines. It says to include all lone pairs of electrons, by the way. So let's do 4 single bonded fluorines. 1, 2, 3, 4. This may be kind of quick. And remember that fluorine is just one away from having the outer shell of a noble gas. We just need to put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, showing that each one of these fluorines has access to 8 total electrons, 3 pair and 1 shared. And xenon is sharing 1, 2, 3, 4 outer shell electrons. Remember, it has a total of 8, so we're going to have to click this a couple of times. Let's hit it, kids. See what we get. It says correct. Thank you. Wow, that's kind of a quickie, but interesting, isn't it?